security in our community that we need to thrive to be able to show up and do the outside work that we do that matters just as much, to bring that balance. Yeah, I think that's very important. And my relationship to activism, specifically in this world, is in this realm on this island, has been mainly surrounding my artistry and my creativity in the way that I channel that. And I want to bring like a kind of creative, artistic perspective as a musician and a poet, um, to the movement, and like where are the spaces in the movement that we can fit in, and how is it that other people around the world and in the Marianas and our neighboring NMI islands, what are the groups that we are reaching out to that are already also just like us doing the thing that looks a little bit different? It's not maybe the traditional protest that we've been taught is the only way, but I believe that there are, many truths that lead to one core um, movement, and that's our independence and right to self-determination. And at the root of that is just love.